Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off the Twitter sensitive content warning on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up the Twitter or X app on your mobile phone. Then you have to click on your profile. After that you have to click on settings and support. Then again you have to click on settings and privacy. After doing so you have to click on privacy and safety here. Then you will find a option called content you see. You have to click on this option. After that you have to click on search settings. Then you have to make sure that this option is turned off. Okay, if this option is turned on, you have to make sure this option is turned off, just like this. Then you have to go back and you have to click on settings, media, sensitive media. After going to sensitive media you have to click on graphics violence. Then you have to, if this is on warn mode, you have to click on show all. Then you have to go back and do the same for adult content. If this is on warn mode, you have to click on show all. After that you have to do the same for others. If this is on warn mode, you have to do the show all, check the show all option, and you have to go back. And now you are ready to go. Now the warning option will not be shown or your on your X or Twitter app. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.